that's how you open it. Easier. Peppa! I'm in my camper again. Welcome back to Thesmallerhalf. So today I got a package from eBay and I'm going to be unboxing it and see what's inside. Ready? Cut it right there. Like in every unboxing video so we can get into it. Okay? So let's get straight into it. Hi Bella. Would you like to know what's in the package? I said package and she's like, I might need help. Yep. So my mom got it. Oh, okay. It's Peppa and the Pig. That's what my dad always said, Peppa and the Pig. So it's Surprise Mini Camper. This one's blue, my favorite color. Then we have green, Ray's favorite color. And then we have pink, my second favorite color. So that's cool. Get the garbage out of the way. So it already has a tear right there in the pink one. Okay. So let's try to get into this camper. Excited to see what's inside. So this is what it looks like without like the other stuff in it. Let's see what's inside. Peppa, what are you doing inside my camper? It's Peppa. Okay, let's open her up. Hello, Peppa. So here she is in a little summer. No, it's a yellow dress and it has mud on it because she's jumping in the mud. And her little boots. I thought she had red boots.
I don't know. She's pretty cute.
Yeah, you can. What's that? Okay, so I thought she had red boots, but she doesn't here. Every part of her moves, her head moves, her arms move, and her legs move, so she could sit. Well,
cute.
Cute. Okay, so here's a little map. I don't want to rip it, because in one of my other unboxing ones, I ripped it. Okay, so we have Fancy Peppa, Candy Cat, Richard Rabbit, Pedro Pony, Danny Dog, Muddy Puddles George, Rebecca Rabbit, Superstar George, Muddy Puddles Peppa. I have Muddy Puddles Peppa. And then the new one is, what does that say? Gerald? Mm-hmm. Gerald Giraffe, and then Susie Sheep, and Peppa Pig with flowers.
Cool.
And you can get all these little shops and houses for them to play it.
Cool. Let's see what else you got.
Okay, let me do the blue one. Oh, and also in this, it says you can get green, blue, purple, yellow, or red. I mean pink. I can't get it.
Do you need some help, dear?
Yeah. So, wait, what was I doing? Oh, I was doing the blue camper. I forgot. Okay, what's in the blue camper? Oh, that's how you open it. Easy here. Peppa! I'm in my camper again. So I got Fancy Peppa. Every part of her moves, just like I said. So we have these two Peppers that can play together. Yay, we're best friends. Okay, so it's basically the same thing on this. Yeah, exact same thing. Okay, so two of those, two of those. Okay, green camper. Okay, my mom got a carrot in it. Boop, boop, boop. Let's see if it's a Peppa or someone else. It is. It's Rebecca Rabbit, one of Peppa's friends. So, all these three people are so happy to be together. Oh, so happy to be together. Fancy Peppa gets thrown in the air and then back down.
Can they stand on their own?
Let's see. Yep.
Yay!
Friends. We're all friends.
The rabbit doesn't want to stand up.
So they
So
all have
cute.
different things. Rebecca has black shoes. Fancy Peppa has yellow shoes. Muddy Puddles Peppa has purple shoes. And then Rebecca has a pink dress with dots and hearts on it. Fancy Peppa has squiggles and flowers on it. And Muddy Puddles Peppa has muddy puddles on her yellow dress. So pink, red, yellow.
So cute.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.